Thawing frozen chicken wings, the right way.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial. Today we'll discuss an essential aspect of cooking: thawing frozen chicken wings before baking them. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you get perfectly thawed chicken wings ready for baking.
Why thaw chicken wings before baking?
You might wonder why we need to thaw chicken wings before baking them. Thawing is crucial as it ensures the chicken wings cook evenly. If you bake the wings while they're still frozen, the outside may cook faster than the inside, leading to an unevenly cooked dish.
How long to thaw frozen chicken wings?
The time it takes to thaw your chicken wings will depend on the method you choose. Refrigerator thawing is the safest method, but it also takes the longest time. For this method, you should plan ahead as it typically takes about 24 hours for the wings to thaw completely in the refrigerator. On the other hand, if you're in a hurry, you can use the cold water thawing method. This method is faster and will thaw your wings in 1 to 2 hours. However, please remember to keep changing the water every 30 minutes to keep it cold and prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Please note, it's not recommended to thaw chicken wings, or any meat, in general, at room temperature due to the risk of bacterial growth.
What's next after thawing?
After your chicken wings are thawed, you're ready to bake them. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Season your wings as desired, and bake them for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, or until they're golden brown and the juices run clear. Thawing your frozen chicken wings correctly can make a significant difference in your baking results. Whether you choose the refrigerator or cold water method, the key is to ensure your wings are completely thawed before baking them. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and you're now confident about thawing your frozen chicken wings. Happy cooking!